So hi friend, this is Amit and you're watching my channel Information and Educational Video. Here I will talk about all triple IT safe percentile for 2023. As you all are preparing for JEE Mains 2023, so what should be the safe percentile in order to get the triple IT college with CSE branch or EC or IT branch? For all type of category I will talk here. So if you're first to my channel, please try to subscribe this channel so that you will be getting all the updated information at the right time. Already I have provided same type of video for NIT also, and that is for CSE branch, and for other branches I will try to provide you very soon in the same channel. For GFTI also I will try to provide you marks wise cutoff also I will try to provide you once the date will be announced for the JEE Mains examination. So please try to subscribe to support this channel, and also you will get all the updated information at the right time in the same channel. So let's get started with the video. So here is the first one, that is triple IT Pune. So if you want to get the CSE branch here, then your score should be 91.8 percentile at least. For general I am talking about, for male candidate, and for female 97.5, that is for CSE, and for EC it is 97.6 and 96.9 percentile, that is for male and female. For EWS if you will talk, then 96.8 and 96 percentile for CSE, and for EC 96.3 and 95.7 percentile. Now if you talk about for OBC 97.7 and 96.3, that is for CSE, and for EC 96.9 and 95.3 percentile. Now if you talk about for SC category, then 86.8 and 83.7 percentile for CSE, and for EC 83.8 and 82.7 percentile. Now if you talk about for ST category, that is for CSE 84.5 and 82.6 percentile, that is for male and female, and for EC 82.1 and 80.2 percentile. Now if you talk about the next triple IT college, so here is the information, that is for general 97.6 and 96.5, that is for CSE and EC, male student, and for female you can check after the slash. One more information I would like to provide you here, that is, hope you get my point. So let's continue this video. That is for EWS 96.8 95.7 percentile, for OBC 97.2 and 96 percentile, and for SC 86.3 84.1 percentile, for ST 84.9 and 82.8 percentile, that is for CSE and EC male candidate, and for female you can check after the slash. Category wise I'm providing you the information. This type of information you will not get because it takes lots of time to collect all the data, do all type of analysis, and then I am providing you the information. So please try to support this channel, share this video, subscribe this channel as much as possible so that I will get some support from your side. So let's continue this video. For triple IT Baroda, general 97.5 97.7, that is for IT and CSE, for EWS 96.6 96.4, and for OBC 97 and 96.7, and for SC 85.2 and 84.4 percentile, and for ST it is 83.6 and 81.1 percentile. Now if you talk about the next one, it is triple IT 3G. Here is the information. For general 97.2 and 96 percentile, EWS 96.2 95.1 percentile, and for OBC 96.4 95.5, and for SC it is 87 and 82.3, ST 84.4 and 80.3 percentile. So now if you talk about the next one, that is triple IT Kanchipuram. Here is the information. For general 98.1 and 97.1, for EWS 97.4 96.2, OBC 97.5 96.4, SC 89.2 86.4, and for ST it is 87 and 84.5 percentile. Now if you talk about the next one, it is triple IT Jabalpur. So here is the information. For general it is 98.4 97.6, and for EWS 97 96.4, and for OBC 98 and 97.2 percentile, and for SC 90.4 and 88.2 percentile, for ST 87.9 85.7 percentile. For triple IT Lucknow, here is the information. For general 99.05 and 98.8, that is for EWS 97.9 97.8, OBC 98.7 98.5, and for SC 90.7 88.4, and ST it is 89.6 and 87 percentile. So this was about triple IT Lucknow. So here I would like to inform you about my mentorship and guidance program. So if you want, you can get the complete mentorship from now up to your admission is done. That is for better preparation. I will be guiding you on a daily basis what are the important chapter that you should do, because different students have different type of IQ level. So some of the chapter may be important for you, some of the chapter is not important for you. So every type of discussion will be done, that is chapter selection will be done, and how you need to cover the chapter, from where you need to solve the question, every type of thing, how you need to use your coaching module or material, whatever you are getting from online or offline coaching. So everything I will provide you in my mentorship and guidance program, and not only the preparation strategy and preparation guidance, but after the getting the result, I will guide you for the complete college admission process as well. That is all type of college across India I will be guiding you, so that you will be into the best possible college. So from now until you get into the college, I will be guiding you. There is a nominal charge for that. Now let's continue this video. That is for IIIT Allahabad. Here is the information for general 98.9, 99.4, and for EWS it is 97.8, 98.8, OBC 98.4, 99.1, SC 92, 94.8, ST 90.3, 93 percentile. That is for EC and IT branch. So this was about IIIT Allahabad. Next I will talk about IIIT Gwalior. Here is the information for general 99.3, EWS 98.5, OBC 98.9, SC 94.7, ST 92.8 percentile. So this was about IIIT Gwalior. That is for male candidate I have discussed. For female you can check after the slash. Now if you talk about for IIIT Ranchi, general 96.5, 95.6, EWS 95.5, 94.9 percentile, OBC 95.9, 95 percentile, SC 81.9, 80.6 percentile, and for ST it is 78.6 and 76 percentile. Now if you talk about IIIT Andhra Pradesh, so here is the information for general 96.3, EWS 95.3, OBC 95.8, SC it is 87.3, ST 85.8 percentile. Now if you talk about the next one, it is IIIT Kottayam, general 96.4, 95.8, EWS 95.4, 94.9, and for OBC 95.8, 95.2 percentile, and for SC 83.5, 80.8 percentile, and for ST 79.2 and 77.8 percentile. Now if you talk about the next one, it is IIIT Bhagalpur. Here is the information for general 96, 95.4, EWS 95.2, 94.6, OBC 95.3, 94.8, and for SC 80.9 and 80 percentile, and for ST 78 and 77 percentile. Now if you talk about for IIIT Agartala, general 96.2, EWS 95.4, OBC 95.6, SC 82 and ST 80.2 percentile you need to score. That is, percentile will remain same if you get in phase 1 or phase 2, that is attempt 1 or attempt 2, no matter, but you need to score less or high marks depending on the situation of the attempt. So now if you talk about the next one, that is IIIT VICD. Here is the information: general 96.5, EWS 95.5, OBC 95.6, SC 81.2, ST 80 percentile. Now if you talk about for IIIT Dharwad, here is the information: general 96.6, 95.7, EWS 95.5, 94.8, OBC 95.6, 95.1, and SC 81.7, 80.8, ST 78.4, 76.6 percentile. Now if you talk about for IIIT Manipur, here is the information: it is for general 95.2, 94.4, EWS 94.2, 92.9, and for OBC 94.7, 93.9, SC 80.6, 79.4, ST 78 and 76.2. that is for CSC and EC male candidate I have discussed for all the category. For female you can check after the slash. Now if you talk about IIIT Kalyani, here is the information for general 96.2, 95.4, EWS 95.2, 94.6, OBC 95.4, for 94.8, SC 82.3, 80.8, and for ST it is 80.4 and 76 percentile. Now if you talk about for IIIT Bhopal, here is the info: general 97.4, 96.3, 97, that is CSE, EC, IT respectively. For EWS 96.1, 95.4, 95.9, for OBC 96.9, 94.4, 96.4. And now if you talk about for SC 83, 81, 82, and for ST 82, 80 and 81 percentile. It is for CSE, EC, IT respectively. Now if you talk about for IIIT UNA, here is the information: general 97, 95, 96 percentile, for EWS 95, 95 and again 95, OBC 96.5, 95.2, 96 percentile, for SC 83, 81, 82, for ST 82, 80 and 81 percentile. Now if you talk about for IIIT Sri CT, general 97, 96 percentile, EWS 95.9 and 95.1 percentile, OBC 96.1, 95.3, SC 83, 81 and ST 78 and 76 percentile you need to score. Now if you talk about for IIIT Kota, that is established in Rajasthan, so here is the information for general 97.6, 97 percentile, AWS 96, 95, OBC 97, 96, SC 86, 83, ST 82 and 80 percentile. Now if you talk about for IIIT Nagpur, general 97.1, 96, and EWS 96, 95, OBC 96, 95 again, and SC 84 and 82, ST 81 and 80 percentile. Now if you talk about for triple IT Surat, general 97.8, 96.9, EWS 96.3, 95.7, OBC 97 and 96.1, SC 85 and 82, ST 82 and 80 percentile. It is for male candidate, and for female you can check after the slash. Now if you talk about for triple IT Raichur, here is the information: general 96.6, EWS 95.6, OBC 95.9, SC 82.5, ST 81.6 percentile. So this was all about the complete information regarding all triple IT, CSE, EC, IT, all type of branches cutoff I have discussed. That is percentile that you need to have minimum in the JEE examination, either in first attempt or second attempt. Then you will be able to get those triple IT based on your category. I have discussed everything that is for general, EWS, OBC, SC, ST, for male, female, everything I have discussed in the same video. So if you find this video very useful, please try to like this video, share this video and subscribe this channel so that you will be getting all type of information at the right time in the same channel. Thanks.